Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Hair Really? In this video, I want to show you some footage of day 1 of my hair transplant procedure and day 2 when I got my first hair wash. So keep on watching. Here with Lindsay at We Grow Hair Indie. And we're about to wash my hair for the first time after my procedure. I'm super excited, but Lindsay is about to go over some instructions with me and with you guys. So
yes, for sure.
Yep. So.
Well, I have some great instructions for you. First of all, you look really clean. It looks awesome up there, so there's not too much to do. Care-wise, the first day we always start with our H2 Ocean can. It's a gentle exfoliator for the recipient area up there. It helps that way we don't have to touch with our fingers while we are healing. Also, I'm going to be shampooing his donor area today and applying some ointment. Tomorrow, you are going to start washing your grafts. However, this grafted area, you are going to actually just put a towel right on it, directly like so. No soap, and just let the shower hit that towel. You are going to shampoo the suture line, and you are going to apply ointment. We do have a special type of shampoo that we like to use here. It's called BioCleanse, and it helps with not only cleansing the area and detoxifying the scalp, but it also helps with hair health as well. Tomorrow you are going to start actually washing your recipient area with that shampoo as well. You're going to put it in that washcloth towel, but you are going to wash 2 times, okay? Day 4, 2 times wash. You're going to put that soapy towel directly on there, let the water hit that, and you are also going to shampoo the donor area again. And then day 5 till your suture date. This is the awesome time because now you get to start touching your grafts. They have fully taken at this point. So you are going to wash once in the morning, once in the evening. You are going to apply a very light circular motion up there using that shampoo BioCleanse again, okay?
All right.
And then you are going to also shampoo the donor area and apply ointment. When you come in for your suture removal appointment with us, we can help you if you have any crusts up there that do develop still and we can't get those off. We have you covered. We'll definitely take care of you, and we'll take you through this whole post-op process from day 1 all the way to day 10.
Yeah, so I'm about to get my hair washed and get back with you guys in a little bit with Lindsay. Alright, welcome back guys. We're about to wash my hair. It's super comfortable here. I'm here with Lindsay, of course. And I forgot my selfie stick, so we're gonna try and make this work.
Alright, so first things first, I am going to shampoo the donor area. Does this feel okay? Alright. So we just get that nice and wet here and make sure that everything gets nice and clean. And I am going to be using that BioCleanse on you.
Alright, BioCleanse, here we come.
Yes. And this stuff will definitely help with cleaning that area, but also making sure that there aren't any irritants in there to irritate your donor area while it is healing. So, first things first. This is the BioCleanse.
Hello, BioCleanse.
And see how I do circular motions back there? That helps with just keeping the skin nice and pliable, but also kind of gently exfoliates any, kind of excess stuff back there.
Feels good.
Yes. Didn't know you were going to get a scalp massage today, too, right?
Nope. I was not prepared for this, but won't turn it down.
Right?
It smells so good.
Yes. It's a nice, refreshing smell.
It's definitely refreshing.
All right. And then what we do is we just gently rinse that area. And then the only other thing I will do is show you how to apply that H2 Ocean spray. Okay?
Hello, Darren.
Hey, bud. Awesome. How you feeling?
What's that?
How you feeling?
Feeling awesome,
Good.
honestly. I don't feel like I had a procedure or anything like that. Honestly.
Yeah, it's awesome. You'll have a little bit of swelling, a little bit of the fluid start to weak down on the forehead. That's normal. They inject tumescence and fluid into that transplant area, which puffs the tissue up. They get the grafts nice and close. So today the body's metabolizing that away, and gravity will take over a little bit. So you get a little bit of swelling around the forehead. That's normal.
Yep.
It's gonna be really inactive today. Drink lots of fluid, but it looks perfect. It's really clean. Yeah, it couldn't be better.
Thank you.
Hang on, let me have a look at this.
Following instructions.
That's good.
Yes.
They're simple, but they're important. So,
Oh, yeah.
yeah, wow. Those grafts are packed in there, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Beautiful. Let's go.
And then last is the H2 Ocean here. What you're going to do, and this is also something you're going to do at home as well, just gently spray
Ooh, it's like a
and
cooling
coat that
spray.
area. Yep. And that's it.
That's it?
That's it.
Easy.
Now we're going to dry that donor area here. So go ahead and sit all the way up for me. A little bit more. Perfect. I'm going to move the seat back for you.
Okay.
All right. Pat dry the donor area, and then you're just going to let the grafts air dry.
Hair dry?
Yes,
Okay.
air dry. And what we do, we clean you up so you don't feel like you're oozing everywhere.
I feel like I'm working out.
Right?
Sweating.
You didn't know you were going to get one of those workouts too, did you?
Nope. I did not. Alright, so we're about to put the ointment.
Yes. So we're just applying some ointment back in the donor area. And the reason why we're doing that is because we're helping with some healing as well back here. I usually suggest to do it after a wash instruction since it's easier to apply. It's easier to move the hair and manipulate it and get that nice application back there. It's very important that we do this step because this also helps with the healing process of the donor area back there and that line that we want to make minimal as possible.
Perfect. Alright, thank you.